Do you want to speak English but you feel shy, scared, or stuck at home? What if I tell you you can practice English at home alone and still improve fast?
Yes.
Really?
Stay with me.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the podcast. My name is Anam. If you are learning English, this video is for you. Today's topic is very important and very simple. How to practice English at home easy and slow English for beginners. You do not need a teacher. You do not need a class. You do not need perfect grammar. You only need small daily steps. And I will show you how. So relax.
Take a deep breath.
And let's start together. Let me ask you a question. Do you think I cannot speak English because I stay at home? Many people think this. But this is not true. Your home is a perfect place to learn English.
Why?
Because at home, you feel safe. No one laughs at you. No one corrects you again and again. You can make mistakes. Mistakes are good. Mistakes help you learn. I also made many mistakes. Everyone does. So first, remember this. You can learn English at home. You're not late. You're not bad at English. You're just learning. Now, let's start with the first and easiest habit. Think in English. Not big sentences. Very small sentences. For example, you wake up. You think, I am awake. You go to the kitchen. You think, I am in the kitchen. You drink water. You think, I am drinking water. This is English practice. Simple.
Easy. Free.
You don't need a notebook. You don't need a phone. Just your mind. Do this again and again. I will repeat it because it is important. Think in English. Think in English. Think in English. Even 5 minutes is good. So far, we learned. Home is a good place to learn. Mistakes are okay. Thinking in English is powerful.
Good.
Now, let's move forward. Now I will tell you something funny. Talk to yourself.
Yes.
Really. You can talk in front of a mirror, or while walking, or while cooking. For example, you look in the mirror and say, Hello, my name is Anam. Today I feel good. I am learning English. At first it feels strange. You may laugh. That's okay. But this works.
Why?
Because your mouth learns English. Your tongue learns English. Your brain learns English. You are training your speaking muscles. No fear. No pressure. Just you and your voice. Try this today. Even 2 minutes. Now look around you. You see
a chair,
a table, a phone, a window. Say their names in English. This is a chair. This is my phone. The window is open. Very easy. Now make small sentences. I sit on the chair. I use my phone. I open the window. This is real English. Daily English. You use these things every day. So your English becomes natural. Let me ask you, are you sitting now? Say it. I am sitting.
Good job.
Now, let's talk about listening. Listening is very important, but not fast English, not difficult English. You need slow English, easy English, clear English.
Like this podcast.
You can listen while cooking, listen while resting, listen before sleep. Do not understand everything. That's okay. Just listen. Your brain is learning sounds. Your ears are learning English music. I will repeat this. You do not need to understand 100%. Even 50% is great. Little by little you improve. Now, this is a secret step. When you hear a sentence, repeat it out loud. For example, I say, I am learning English. You pause. You say, I am learning English. Again, I am learning English. This is powerful.
Why?
Because you listen.
You speak.
You remember. 3 skills together.
Do this with videos, podcasts,
Short clips. Even one sentence is enough. Let's stop for a moment. What did we learn? Think in English.
talk to yourself,
Use daily objects. Listen to easy English. Repeat out loud. You're doing great. Let's continue. Now, let's talk about reading. Many learners feel scared of reading. Big words. Long sentences. But we will do it easy.
read,
Short stories. Simple English posts. Easy subtitles. Read slowly. One line. One sentence. For example, I like tea. Read it. Read it again. Do not rush. No speed race. Slow is good. Slow is strong. Now writing. Many people think, I cannot write English.
but you can.
Start small. Every day, write 3 sentences. For example, today is Monday. I stayed at home. I practiced English. That's it. 3 sentences only. You can write on paper, on phone, in notes. No one is checking. No fear. Writing helps your brain fix English. Now listen carefully. Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are friends. When you make a mistake, your brain learns something new. Even children make mistakes. Even teachers make mistakes. So if you say, he go to market, it's okay. Later, you will learn, he goes to the market. Step by step. Please remember, perfect English is not the goal. Clear English is the goal. This is very important. Do not study for 3 hours one day and then stop for 10 days. Instead, 10 minutes every day, 15 minutes every day. Small steps, daily steps. English loves routine. Make English your friend. Morning, evening, anytime. Let me share something real. Many learners feel
shy,
afraid, embarrassed. They think, what if I speak wrong English? I want to tell you something. Your effort is brave. Your practice is powerful. Your journey matters. Every word you speak is a step forward. Be proud of yourself. Let's recap everything clearly. You can practice English at home by thinking in English, talking to yourself, using daily life English, listening to easy English, repeating out loud, reading small texts, writing short sentences, practicing every day, not fearing mistakes. This is enough. This is powerful. You are learning English, and I am proud of you. If you feel slow, it's okay. If you feel confused, it's okay. Just do not stop. English will come to you, slowly, naturally. Now I want to hear from you. Tell me in the comments. How do you practice English? At home? If this video helped you, like this video. Subscribe to the channel. We learn English together here. Thank you for listening.
take care.
Keep practicing.
Bye-bye. See you soon.